What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random. Yes, the Crown Victoria guy, but not only do I have Crown Victorias, I have a Mustang, I got a Ford LTD, and I got a Coyote F-150. Coyote truck. Say hello to my little friend. Anybody who's been watching my channel long enough knows that I get in a lot of trouble with buddy old pal right here. Every single car that I have ever owned, I've cut the hell out of the mufflers. Cue the montage now. This is gonna get cut, and all of this stuff is gonna come down that I'm cutting over there. You guys are looking at my 2012 Ford F-150 Fx2. Now, why the hell do I keep referring to this truck as a Coyote truck? Well, that's because this truck came equipped with a 5.0 Coyote. Yes, this is the same engine that's inside the Mustang GT. Okay, it's the same engine. The headers are different, slight cam difference. This makes 395 horsepower. Mustang of that year made 412. This truck, yes, this pickup truck, I don't know if just like what, maybe 7,000 or 8,000 pound pickup truck, red lines at 6,000 RPM. The Mustang red lines at 7,000 RPM. This is, by every purpose, a Coyote. There's so much more you can do with these trucks, and I know there's a select group of people who would like to see somebody modify this truck. Well, you guys are in luck. I'm modifying this truck, and we're starting with one of the cheapest modifications you can do to your Coyote truck. Guys, if you own a $30 Harbor Freight reciprocating saw, that's all you need. You're gonna be looking at a pickup truck, and you're gonna be looking around for the Mustang. You're gonna say, where the hell is the Coyote Mustang at? Because that's exactly what this truck sounds like. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and cut the mufflers. I'm gonna show you guys where to cut the mufflers. And then after that, we're gonna rev the hell. We're gonna rev this thing to infinity and beyond. We're gonna take off. We're gonna do pullouts. We're just gonna go insane. I'm willing to bet a lot of you guys are gonna have a newfound respect for the old Coyote truck. Here we go. All right, guys, so your Coyote F-150 has just one giant long muffler that runs the length of the whole truck all the way down. Both of the headers converge into one pipe, and there's actually two mufflers. There's one right here. Damn, that thing is heavy. And there's one right down there. Where I'm gonna cut is right here. This is gonna fall down, and then I'm just gonna cut accordingly in pieces until this whole damn thing is out of here. Just like that, this biatch has been cut. Woo! That was easy. Psych, it never is. Next. One down, one more to go, boys. Actually, you know what? Rather than going through the trouble of sectioning and slicing the last remaining muffler, technically, let me show you guys something. The muffler is technically already cut. The entire, whatever comes from the engine and what's connected to the last two mufflers has already been cut. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Boom. There. That's been cut already. That's the second muffler, but technically everything's already been cut. Actually, if I wanted to, I can get a piece of straight pipe and connect it to that one. If this noise right here is too much, if it missing its main muffler is too much, I'll just put a piece of straight pipe and it should be just right. But anyways, the last thing that's left to do, oh my God. Guys, this was the easiest muffler removal I've ever had to do. No way. Let's crack this thing up and see if it sounds as good as I think it's gonna sound. Here we go. Guys, I'm taking this thing out. We're taking this out for a spin right now. We're gonna do some pulls. We're gonna do some drive-bys. We're gonna rev the hell out of this thing. Oh my God, I can't believe this thing sounds so fucking cool. Okay, that's it. That's it. Here we go. Here we go. takeoff. Let's see how this thing sounds. And just so you guys can see, there are no check engine lights, just the traction control. I turned it off. No check engine light, guys. Hell yeah. Woo!
Kind of better though.
Oh, she said it sounds better than a Mustang? What? Girl, you better sit your ass down in this truck. All right, we're gonna end it like that. She's actually not exaggerating. This doesn't do it justice. I don't even think the camera, we used two different kind of cameras to try to capture this beautiful symphony that this vehicle is making. I honestly don't think it does it justice, guys, but we're gonna end the video here. Absolutely phenomenal. Cost me $30 just for the reciprocating saw, which I've already had for years. Think pays for itself. Anyways, now it's time to go get some groceries in a grocery getter family truck that, yes, just so happens to sound like a freaking GT 350. Jesus. Thanks, babe. All right, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Random, man. Take it easy.